court hearing Haryana government's petition ordered the status quo at Shambhu border to be maintained. The bench led by Justice Surya Kant instructed the formation of an independent committee to address farmers' issue, asking Haryana and Punjab governments to suggest committee members. The court directed both states to provide phased plans for removing barricades to ease public inconvenience. During the hearing, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta mentioned that farmers had modified their tractors to resemble tanks. The Supreme Court questioned the government on why a resolution couldn't be reached through dialogue with farmers. The court emphasized the need for government to take steps to reach out to farmers, noting the mistrust among farmers towards government officials sent from Delhi and the perception that local issues were being overlooked. Previously, on July 10th, the Punjab and Haryana High Court had directed the Haryana government to remove barricades and open Shambhu border within a week, which the Haryana government opposed, citing law and order concerns. On Wednesday, the Supreme Court ordered the maintenance of the status quo at Shambhu border and the formation of an independent committee to resolve farmers' issue. On Wednesday, the Supreme Court heard a petition against the Uttarakhand High Court's order to remove 4,000 slums from the railway line in Haldwani, Uttarakhand. The court directed the authorities to plan for rehabilitation of the affected families and scheduled the next hearing for September 11. During the hearing, the railways informed the Supreme Court of the urgent need for land to expand the railway station and rail line. The court instructed the railways, Uttarakhand and the central government to identify the land and the affected families within 4 weeks. Previously, the railways had stated in an affidavit that there was no provision for rehabilitation or compensation, but the Supreme Court has now directed the planning of a rehabilitation scheme for the affected families. The Delhi High Court has issued a notice to the Delhi police regarding Umar Khalid's bail petition in the Delhi violence case. The bench led by Justice Surya Kant has scheduled the next hearing for August 29. On July 22, Justice Amit Sharma recused himself from hearing Khalid's bail plea. Earlier on May 28, the Karkarduma court had rejected Khalid's bail application. During that hearing, Khalid's lawyer Tridip Pace argued that the Delhi police's use of Khalid's name in the charge sheet was excessive and misleading. He emphasized that mere repetition of names and false statements do not establish facts and stressed that the court must thoroughly examine all witnesses and documents before deciding on bail. Pace also referenced the case of Vernon Gonzalez and Shoma Sen from Bhima Koregaon case to support Khalid's bail request. YouTuber Dhruv Rathi is facing increasing legal troubles in a defamation case filed by BJP leader Suresh Karmashi Nakhua. Delhi's Saket Court has issued notices to Rathi, Google and X with the next hearing scheduled for August 6th. During the Wednesday hearing, Nakhua's lawyers Raghav Avasthi and Mukesh Sharma accused Rathi of making derogatory claims in his video titled My Reply to Goofy YouTubers, alleging that Rathi labelled Nakhua as a violent and abusive troll. Nakhua has demanded 20 lakh in damages through the petition. Hero Motocorp Chairman Paswan Kant Munjal has received significant relief from the Delhi High Court. The court has quashed the summons issued by the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence against Munjal, which was related to allegation of holding foreign currency beyond the prescribed limit. Justice Manoj Kumar Ohri of the Delhi High Court had earlier granted an interim stay on the case in November 2023. On July 24, the court accepted Munjal's petition and stayed the proceedings. The ruling is expected to strengthen Munjal's petition against the Enforcement Directorate's ongoing money laundering investigation, which is based on the DRI's charge sheet.